So, something low-key but potentially massive just surfaced around the upcoming Pixel 10 series, and trust me, you'll want to hear this. A fresh teardown of Google's Adaptive Connectivity Services app, version 2025.17, quietly revealed some serious clues about what Google's cooking up next. And if you've been watching closely, this one's flying under the radar. So here's the scoop. Tucked deep inside the app's code, developers found new device identifiers that line up almost perfectly with what insiders have been saying about the Pixel 10 lineup. We're talking about tags like GLBW0, G4QR, and GUL82, highly likely tied to the base Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL, respectively. What's noticeably absent, though, is GU0NP, which is the expected tag for the rumored Pixel 10 Pro Fold. But before you panic, Google's probably just holding that one for a future update. They've done that before. Now, here's why this is a bigger deal than just code names. This Adaptive Connectivity Services app isn't some random background thing. It manages smart networking on your Pixel, like switching between 5G, LTE, and Wi-Fi to save power or boost performance. But dig a little deeper, and it turns out this app is also closely tied to some of Google's most advanced communication tech. As devs poked through the back-end code, they started spotting connections to something called non-terrestrial networking. Translation? Satellite-related features are in the mix. That's right, these new Pixel 10 models are being linked to back-end tools that mirror what we saw last year with Satellite SOS on the Pixel 9 series. You remember that, right? The feature that lets your Pixel send emergency messages when you're totally off-grid, no cell, no Wi-Fi, just pure satellite. And this discovery lines up with other leaks suggesting that the Pixel 10 will launch with the new Tensor G5 chip, which is rumored to be paired with MediaTek's T900 modem. That modem, it supports 3GPP Release 17, the global standard that makes 5G over satellite possible. This isn't just a rehash of what we saw with the Pixel 9, this is next-gen connectivity in action. So, while Google hasn't officially said a word, the groundwork is clearly being laid. Are you ready for satellite tech to become standard in your phone? Or is this just cool in theory, but overhyped in practice? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Pixel Deep Dives. And as always, I will catch you in the next one.